Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at this used Sun Tracker pontoon. It's a 22-foot pontoon. Comes on a double axle trailer. This pontoon is absolutely in immaculate shape. Very, very clean on the inside. As you can see here, there's a nice bench right in front of the helm. It's a very nice long bench area. A couple speakers at the floor and another small bench here next to the door. There's a table holder in the front as well as a table holder in the back. In the back here we kind of had a unique shape. It's a half L shape seat, and then behind that is a nice fold out bench. Underneath this compartment is a dressing room, which folds out nicely, and then in the back compartment here is a battery. Then across from that you have a nice little bench again for another couple people. And then here at the helm you have a low back chair here. Looks like Jensen audio player and a nice helm setup. The flooring is infinity woven flooring, which is very nice. No carpet. It dries quick and easy. Just nice all around. But again, this is a gorgeous boat inside and out. It's very, very clean. From the pictures you'll see all the storage on the inside. Again, this is a 2017 Sun Tracker pontoon. It's a 22-foot pontoon. It's got a 90 horsepower on the back. Great, nice party boat. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat or any of our other used boats today.